Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Billy Jack Fish Show. We out here.
Here, get the trolling motor.
Old Davo and Landman and Mom and me.
Yum Senko, y'all. Dream bugs. We got dark water.
Yeah.
Black and blue and dark water.
Y'all watch this. I'm gonna catch a bass. Here we go.
Watch it.
Oh yeah, right there he is.
Watch it.
Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He got me there. Well, not uncaught. Big old 10-pounder. I remember one time when I was little, y'all. Me and my daddy, we was fishing, or we went and bought some tackle. He bought this silver and black propeller. I had this old fish pole named Stiff. It was my grandpa Dave's pole. And then we sat there fishing. We'd fished all day, hadn't caught nothing. I kept singing, grass finds a bass. That there's goofing off front, you know, like my dad, he scolded me around. We didn't have no trolling motor. He said, boy, he said, you gonna keep messing around, and one of them big bass gonna snatch that reel out of your hand in just a minute. I was like, yeah, right, whatever, this and that. And it got about this time in the evening, like, and I threw it by this big old cypress tree, and I went to bring it in, and sure enough, bam, about a 7-pounder. I was all huge, especially I was landing at the age, I was 12 years old. And then 2 years later, I caught 11.5-pounder. 11.5-pounder. Anyway, that learned me right there when fishing with lures. That, you never know. You always stay alert. Always stay alert. Never let your alert down. Because about the time you think you ain't gonna hit it, that's when he's gonna take it out of your hands.
Look at there. Is that a leaf or a dead shadow? Dead shadow. Hit it.
Hmm?
What the flip? The blue thing off. No, I'm not ripping back up. Is that too dang long? I do what? That wash.
Oh, man. How deep is it? You gotta rig up the fish, boy. Can't be a quitter. Quitters never win. You want to be a winner. No matter what gets you in the way, you try just as hard as you can and you win. Like this. I'm fixing to win this 10-pound bass. Watch it. Come on. 10 pounds. Yeah. I can feel it. It's on. Come on. Would that be awesome catch one there? It just feels like I'm going to catch one. I tell you, I feel like that all the time. That's so crazy.
I'm just gonna throw this little yellow spinning bait.
I feel like I'm going to catch the biggest bass in my life at any cast. Anytime.
I'm gonna throw this little yellow spinning bait. Where'd you get that?
Where do you think you catch them? Throw it.
Is that my spinner bait?
Yeah.
You stole my freaking spinner. No, I didn't. There, Mom.
I'm not just hang it up.
I'm throw foot back.
Who's going to get you?
You know, if I hang it, I'll break it. Could you flip that?
Can I flip this?
Yeah.
I don't know, I might can.
That freaking broom or whatever ain't in my pinky.
I tried to skip it. Oh, yeah. Flipper. I need
Thought
to.
you got flipping there. Scared you.
You got that trolling motor turned up too high.
I don't think it that high. Bro.
Look here. You don't want that right there. Where you going? You want me to catch this bass on you? When I fish the top water, y'all, when I throw it out there, I let it sit for a second. And then I'll give it like a bump. Just bump it a little bit. Bump. Not that hard, but it's kind of lightly bump
You
it.
got to see all those.
About 3 or 4 times. And then if he don't hit it, I just reel it to him slow. Every once in a while, I'll stop it like that, reel it again, stop it, reel it. Just different presentations is what you want to try. You'll be surprised
Quick, when I come back.
how different presentations,
Mhm.
how different presentations you catch fish. Just changing the way you're working your bait. That's like today you're fishing. Them the bass, they wouldn't bite nothing hardly but that worm, and if you worked it fast, they wouldn't hit it. You just throw it out, let it sit, move it just a little bit. I'm talking like this, just moving it, barely moving. I reel it down, just move it like that, and all of a sudden, boom, there he is. Catch him. Ooh, that was a. You take your glasses off. That sun's getting too low.
Please don't hook me today.
See, I'll try to hook people. That's one thing I can say I haven't done. Oh, I'd take that back. I did hook my daddy in the eyelid when I was little. I thought he was gonna kill me.
Holy shit.
You know why you're not? You know why you're casting like that?
Wow.
You need to watch where you cast. Look, it's like throwing a ball or anything. See, I just did that. Look where you're casting. Don't look at your lure and do like that. It's like playing baseball or anything. You see what I'm talking about?
It works.
Yeah, it works.
I just looked at
Yeah, it's like playing baseball or anything. Ooh, look at that. That's like a fish. Look here. I looked right where I'm casting.
that was my lure.
See, I was supposed to skip, but it didn't. I'm telling you, anytime you're casting anything, that's like if you're trying to throw up under that tree, throw it. See how I did
I
that?
think somebody's already
You see how I did that? That's bass fishing. See how you lose your faith? That's bad. You just got started. See how you looked at that tree, you went in that tree? And watch this, I'm gonna look at that hole right there. I'm gonna go right in that hole. See what I'm talking about? Did I just show you?
They just stupid piece of crap.
No, you got your slack set. You ain't no pro. You need to turn your max down, set your drag a little bit.
Who's laughing
I'm telling you the truth. You need to turn it down a little bit. You got it to your brake.
See, nonsense about the super thing.
That first skip, you can do it. I wonder how spinnerbait do. You know, getting late eating.
Say chatterbait.
Right there on top of you. My bad. So you keep looking at your lure. Stop doing that. Look at where you're throwing. That lure go there. Just practice that. Practice it. Call that one. Oh yeah. Big old brim. God, that was brim.
Oh, boy. That's what we got biting over here. They're dead.
Snagged him, son. Look. What I call him.
Crap.
And he is like, look, boys. On the Billy Jackfish show. I called it. Did I call? I told him. I said, I'm out turning the camera on to catch fish. I just felt it. I could feel it. And then I feel a 10-pounder. I'm telling y'all. Hold still now. Look, hold still. We might as well keep him happy.
Yeah, keep him. Throw him on the broom with the hand.
Open up the live with. Catch and cook. Hey, y'all, we got some, you know, I went fishing today, but I really couldn't film the show because it was raining and shit and stuff like that, so we didn't really get to film it. But we caught fish, we tore them up. We tore them up. And anyways, if y'all want to see us do a clean, see us clean our fish and cook them, just write in the comments and let us know.
Oh, I have
And we'll hook y'all up. We'll do a catch and cook.
I smell him.
Catch and cook. Supper number 1. Supper number 2. Oh my gosh, that's still a big bag. Hey, once you go over on that island right there.
Where?
Right over there.
Where?
That island, that's the island right there. That's one big
Fishing
island.
docks. We're not on fishing docks?
It don't matter, you go that way. You want to?
They're fishing docks.
I smell fish. I smell fish bedding. I smell fish bedding. I'm gonna have to do my practice casting. That didn't skip like it's supposed to.
That's it.
Saltwater lure don't skip too good.
That's what that braid does for you. Get a snag pulled up for you. Pull the snag with you.
That's a
Oh my god. Look what I just casted.
good cast,
Up on
buddy.
them trees.
That was a good cast, man. And all we need is just some bass to go with them good casts, don't we, buddy? Ooh, that might have been a mess up. I don't mean to do like that.
My first time fishing. So I just thought,
I just don't want to hook nobody. I don't want to
if you see me start diving in the water,
hook nobody. So that was weedless, so what show hooks, I'll show y'all how to put her in there. I skip that there, you're on back up in there.
break it. Did you?
Mm.
That's funny.
Shoot. I know what I need, y'all, some longhorns.
You gotta do a dance, say pat one, y'all.
Longhorn, long, good, straight.
There's a bass in the grass.
It's on now. Watch what this stuff does. It'll hang in the tree, watch. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Oh my God. Well, y'all tried, y'all. That looked like a good place for one. Got any bushes. Some of these treble hooks.
That scared me. Could you flip that?
Can I flip this?
Yeah.
I don't know, I might can.
That freaking broom or whatever ate one of my pinkies
I
off.
tried to skip it. Oh, okay. Flipper. I need
Thought
to,
you got something there. Scared me. What was that?
you got that trolling motor turned up too high.
I don't know what that. Girl.
Look here.